Here I am with a recipe showing you how to make a mango cheesecake with homemade cream cheese without biscuits, agar agar, gelatin. Let's just begin with step 1 of making the base. So for the base, we're going to use oats flour. So let's make them at home. For that, add 1/4 cup of oats. You can use any oats of your choice. Dry roast them until you get a nice aroma. Let it cool down and grind them into a fine powder. It's really important to roast the oats because we are not going to bake this cake. Add the ground oats into a bowl. 2/3 of a cup melted butter. 4 tablespoons of powdered brown sugar. You can use regular sugar instead of brown sugar. Mix them well. Now add them in a springform pan lined with parchment paper and then spread them evenly to form a thin layer. Ensure to line your pan with parchment paper so that you will not have any hassle in removing this cake from the tin the next day, and freeze them for about 15 minutes. It's now time for step 2, preparing the mango glaze. For that, I've used 2 big size Alfonsa mangoes. You can use any mangoes of your choice. Chop the mangoes. I'm just going to use half of the puree to prepare the mango glaze and the other half to add in the cream cheese. Add them in a jar and grind to a smooth paste. Add half of the mango puree into a pan, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Mix them well and let it cook until the mangoes turn translucent. Once the mangoes turn translucent, add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Just give it a mix. Take them out of heat. Run it through a strainer to remove any residue to have a smooth glaze. Let it sit at room temperature until we prepare the cream cheese. It's now time for step 3, guys, to make the cream cheese. That takes 750 ml of full fat milk. Bring it to a boil. Add a teaspoon of vinegar and let the mixture curdle. Once that's done, strain it under a cheesecloth or a kerchief. Run it with some water to remove the taste of vinegar. Squeeze it and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then blend it to make a smooth fine paste. We've almost come to the end, guys. It's now time to assemble our cake. For that, add the prepared cream cheese in a bowl. Blend it for a minute or 2. Add 100 ml of melted white chocolate. If you do not have white chocolate, replace it with powdered sugar as per your sweet preference. 100 ml of chilled whipping cream. The remaining half mango puree, and whip them all together to form soft peaks. Add the mixture in stages so that you do not curdle the mixture, as shown in the video. Let's transfer the filling into our prepared base. Flatten it out. Add the mango glaze and spread it across evenly. Tap the pan to remove excess air bubbles and let it sit in the freezer for about 6 hours or overnight. Our no-bake mango cheesecake is ready to be served. I've just topped it with some whipping cream and golden sprinkles. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share this recipe with your friends, like the video so that it will help me in the algorithm. Comment your suggestions in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video.